friends, it's Miss Kelli. Do you know what I was thinking about? I was thinking about how much I love cupcakes. My favorite one is chocolate with vanilla icing. As a matter of fact, that's our theme for this week's Curbside Craft, Crazy for Cupcakes. So I'm going to go make some cupcakes, and why don't you listen to this story while I do so? Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found! Sprinkles on the ground! I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see." Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves sweets." Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see." What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus had solved the case.
"I'm so sorry, it was me. I couldn't stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none."
Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do." Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. The end. I'm really glad that Gus and Pete found their cupcakes. Even though Grumpy Toad had eaten them, he still brought them more. I have 1 batch of cupcakes in my oven, and I'm working on a second batch. So while I do that, why don't we listen to another story? Cupcake, A Journey to Special by Charisse Merciel Harper. One day, in a big bowl, flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and baking powder were all mixed together. And then, with just the right amount of baking in the toasty hot oven, Cupcake was born. After a special coat of icing, vanilla Cupcake was creamy white, perfectly plain, and most certainly delicious. Being a friendly sort of cupcake, he quickly introduced himself to all his new brothers and sisters.
Hi.
There was Happy Face Cupcake, a smile makes the blues go away. Pink Princess Cupcake, charmed I'm sure. And Chocolatey Chocolate Cupcake, it's chocorific to meet you. Rainbow Sprinkles Cupcake, hi, 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 hi. Fancy Flower Top Cupcake, bonjour, that is French. Stripey Cupcake, salutations. Polka Dot Cupcake, hidey, 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 ho! Cupcake felt special to be part of such a large and colorful family.
This is the best day ever.
But by the end of the day, Cupcake wasn't feeling very special anymore. He was sitting on the plate all alone.
Nobody picked me. I'm too creepy, white, and plain.
A candle that was close by heard Cupcake crying and hopped over. What's wrong?
I'm just vanilla. I'm not fancy. I'm just plain and white and ordinary.
I know how you feel, said Candle, and then he told Cupcake all about his fancy brothers and sisters. Let's see, there's Number Candle, Stripey Candle, Glitter Candle, Twisty Candle, Balloon Candle, Color Candle, and Super Long Candle. Now both Cupcake and Candle were feeling sad. That is, until Candle had a big idea. Hey, you just need a special topping.
You're right,
said Cupcake. Candle hopped off to find the something special.
Wow, he is so bright.
This is gonna be great. Candle had all sorts of suggestions. Pickles!
Too salty,
said Cupcake. Spaghetti!
Too swirly.
Pancakes and egg! Peas! How about smelly cheese? And then a squirrel!
Ah! Too furry!
I'm sorry, said Candle. I really thought we'd find something special.
Is he gone?
He's gone. Look, said Candle. What's that?
Where? Where?
Up there, on your head. There's something in here, said Candle. Pesky squirrel, it's a nut.
Get it out! Get it out!
There.
Yay!
Wait, I've got it, said Candle. Tomorrow, let's try a potato. The end. I think that Cupcake and Candle are going to have a really great friendship together. And speaking of cupcakes, look, I did it. I made chocolate cupcakes with vanilla icing. I think that I'm going to eat these cupcakes while you go look at the crafts that were in your Curbside Craft this week. Let's go see what we have. Your first craft is this ceramic cupcake bank. We've included 3 colors of paint, red, white, and blue. You can use them as is or mix them to make more colors. Your next craft is this little wooden cupcake. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have at home to color it in. Use lots of different colors to make it bright and beautiful. Your last craft is this foam sticker cupcake. You can decorate it however you would like. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun at this week's Curbside Craft. Hope to see you soon. Bye.